Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening this video. Today I'm at Hayes Clarendon and I have a diamond in the rough for you. Yes, today I have a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom fixer-upper. Yes, this could be somebody's home. So ladies and gentlemen, do not go away. Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening this video today. We are in Jamaica and we're actually in Hayes Clarendon.
Turn right.
Google is telling me in 500 meters I'm to turn right. So why are we in Hayes Clarendon today? We are actually heading to a house that's for sale. I'm distracted. Alright, so I'm in the vicinity of Very Technical High School. Those of you who went to Very Technical High, big up to you. Big school, Very Technical. Very has produced lots of runners, lots of athletes actually I should say. Thank you Very. So I see my driver Foster is passing the right turn. So Foster, you're going to go up here, turn back and turn left at that tire that you see in the road.
Did Google say turn right?
Yeah, it did. But it doesn't know where I'm going. Google said turn right.
You going right or left?
We're going left now.
Oh.
Alright, so everybody please don't get turned around. So when you pass Very Technical High School, you look for the right turn where the tire is, and you're gonna make this right turn. So what am I selling? I'm selling a fixer-upper. Yes, those of you who want a fixer-upper one is finally here. The price is in the description below. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom fixer-upper. Can be the home to somebody. Yes. Remember I sold a couple fixer-uppers actually. I need to go do an update video for the one I sold in Boscobel. It was nicely renovated and everything. Remember I sold one in Old Harbor to that one was renovated and we featured it.
And there was one in Waterford.
And there was also one in Waterford, yes. So ladies and gentlemen, those of you whose budgets are within this price point, don't be afraid to reach out. Also the link is below if you want to make us an offer. So now you're making your offers online. And you're going to upload your documents, your ID, your TRN, your proof of address, your proof of funds, your offer, your customer form. You will upload those to us on our upload link, which is in the details below. So I've actually entered the scheme, and the scheme is called, I'm trying to remember if it's called Newtown. Alright, so we're going straight now.
Oh, there's a church here.
Alright, so you pass Delia Avenue and there's a church. What's it called?
Independent Baptist.
Independent Baptist. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I should also remind you to join me on YouTube Live on Sundays at 3. So we go from 3 to 5 p.m. where we discuss real estate, wealth, and money. All those 3 things are usually wrapped up. So remember, YouTube Live, 3 p.m. on a Sunday until 5 p.m. We brought out some other developments since I've been back from leave. We brought out, Tony remind me, Edmond Ridge. I hope you have signed up for Edmond Ridge. That's out in Montego Bay. We also have a house selling at Pyramid Heights. That one can be a beautiful home for somebody. It's 9 bedrooms. You can also do your rental on it if you want, and you can have your family live there as well. So that's Pyramid Heights. You want to have a look at that, you give me a call. What else did we bring out? Or maybe I should tell you what is to come.
So much to come.
Maybe that's what I should tell you. What is to come? Alright, so we have a Palm Brook estate slot for sale that's coming as well. We also have an Eltham house that's also coming, a house in Eltham, one of the joint units in Eltham. What else is coming? This one here is Clarendon. I do believe I have a Waterford coming too as well. So you can look out for those, or if you're really, really interested in any of those, you just say, Miss Davis, don't put it out there. I want it to buy right now. Right? I have a Palm Brook land coming. I have a Waterford, I have an Eltham house. I have the Hayes coming up. Also going to be having a 2-bedroom apartment coming up. That will be on, what's the name of that road? Is it Anna Crescent, Tony? Sorry. Off Waterloo Road, right? It's really early in the morning, guys. My voice has not yet warmed up, so my apologies. Then the first right, I think. So my voice hasn't warmed up yet, so my apologies. I'm going to have an apartment in off Waterloo on Annick Crescent. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Also going to have a Cumberland for sale. 2-story house. Yeah, make a right turn. Yeah, house is at the corner. All right, everybody. So we're actually here. Here's Newtown. Here's Clarendon.
That's the name of the community?
Yes, and this is this house at the corner with these pretty purple flowers. All right, everybody. I'll see you inside.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's have a look inside. So as you can see, this is a corner lot. The land space is about 4,350 square feet, so there's a lot that you can do here. So once you enter, you have the front porch and the front door, which will need replacing, and you enter into the living room, dining room, kitchen combo. If you notice, it has a really good ceiling height, which makes the space look more spacious. So right now it has terrazzo tiles, but you can have those replaced with some nice ceramic tiles. And this is the kitchen space, 2 lovely windows here. This is almost like a mini galley kitchen because the kitchen will be on the left and right side of the room. You can put some upper cabinets here, and your fridge will go right beside the sink. And on the other side would have your stove and some more counter space. I really like how they've done the house so compact, so it's not like a long dark hallway. To the left you have the bathroom, and I'm imagining some ceramic tiles here, and I'm imagining some subway tiles here with a nice clean white toilet. And instead of the face basin there, I would do a small cabinet, just so that you have more storage in the bathroom. So this is the second bedroom, and this is the smaller one. Windows would need replacing with some nice UPVC sliders. And you could add a small closet to this wall here. Maybe 2 feet could work. So all the doors would need replacing. And then this is the, I guess it's a master bedroom. This is the larger bedroom. And this one does not have a closet as yet, so you would need to put one in, but there is more than enough room in there to do that. Let's now head outside. So this is the front yard. As you can see, it's already fenced for you. So all you need to do is come in and cut the lawn, freshen the paint on the fence, and trim down these trees. This is actually a mango tree I'm trying to maneuver through right here. But it's a really good land size for where it is. This was a little shed that they done, but I would take this down. And here is the backyard, ladies and gentlemen. Really nice mature trees. I think there's 2 types of mango trees there. And that's the little chicken coop that's in the backyard. Which I guess if you want to keep chickens, you could fix it up or just tear it down. So like I said, ladies and gentlemen, this is a fixer-upper. If you're interested, we have put the application form in the description box of this video. So just click down there and let us know if you're interested in purchasing this one. It's going for $6.5. Remember, the numbers are 876-370-8138 or 876-292-6776. And remember, be great to yourself and always buy real estate. Bye, everyone.